Welcome to Guaranty. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2007 Week Warrior. It's a toy hauler for an '07. It's pretty clean, nice, all straight. Yeah, you got the awning, of course. Triple axle. That means the payload's going to be a lot. Come on in. Let me show you this. Really clean and very welcoming coach, really, for an '07. Big TV right here. You got it. With the seats, look at that, it's full around, and then you have your cargo area. You can put whatever toys you would like. The bed stores away up for your toys to come in. Also, there's a ladder down there that will, if you want to climb up, in a way. Yes, there's venting around here. Back down there, there is some storage also. As you see, there's a big, huge bed on top. Lots of cabinets for a toy hauler. Look at that, pretty deep. Nice stuff. You can converse, cross from here, tables. As you go through the coach, you got the stove, got your microwave down here, 2 sink and more cabinets. Look at that, that's your system right there. That's your gen, tells you the hours. Pretty nice. Okay, corner storage also comes with it. And then you got your stereo system. Lots of drawers down here. Okay, that comes in handy. Even there is a, management in there for your utensils. More cabinets with a garbage can in a way. That's pretty cool. Let's walk in the bedroom. As we go into the bedroom, there's the bathroom right there. It's a shower, stand-up shower. Pretty nice, okay size. It's not that big, but it will do fine. In a way, a walk-around bed as we come in here. More cabinets. Look at that, nice touch with the mirrors, and you got more storage in here. Nice setup for this bedroom. The sink is outside, as you can see over here. So that's one thing you gotta look at. A big closet in here also. That's they try to utilize all space available. Okay, as we go in here, we're gonna check out this fridge. You got your fridge, you got your freezer, really nice. Kind of tall a little bit, but it's reachable. Let's go outside and look around. Again, folks, really clean. Really clean. The body is, I don't see any damage, any problems with it. Really nice wheels on it. It got your fueling station, by the way, right there. As we go around, that's your ramp right there. You got the night lights in the back. That gives it, more light during the night. Also, you have a ladder. That means you can go up there, check your roof out, see what's going on, any debris, what have you. We go through it. There's your storage down here for your hoses and what have you in there. Okay. As a power cord right there in this compartment. It got it all, really. Nice basement. It's pretty big for a toy hauler. Usually they lack that storage, but this one does have it. There's more to talk about this coach. Please give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.